Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick overview of a weekly routine that you should follow for success in Math 091. The first thing you're going to do each week is to view the weekly module outline in Canvas so you can preview the assignments that are coming that week. Here's a sample week from a previous course. Notice there's an overview. When you open up the overview, it will give you a list of all the assignments and a brief description of what you can expect for the upcoming week. Notice for this week you have assignments due in More, and this link will take you to our More course. This week also has a class orientation quiz that you have to complete. Then there's a discussion board. Then there's a content page where you're going to review the order of operations. After you review the order of operations, you are ready to take the practice online proctored exam. This exam will prepare you for using Respondus Lockdown Browser and will help you figure out if you have it loaded properly on your computer. Then you have to reply to the discussion board to one of your classmates. And in this particular class, there was another discussion board due. Like I said, this is a sample of what you might see for a week. After you view the weekly outline, then you're going to start with your assignments in More. You want to begin with the media lesson. The media lesson is where you're going to learn all the content and take notes on all of the skills that you're going to learn that week. You should have your student notebook out with you as you're watching all the videos so you can take notes and write down all the examples. You need to get 100% on the media lesson in order for the homework assignment to open up. This is where you will access the media lesson, the homework, and the quiz for each unit. Notice that you will not be able to access the homework for the unit until you obtain a score of 100% on the media lessons. Here's an example of what a sample media lesson page should look like. As you're watching the videos, you should be taking notes and writing down all the steps that you see in the video. You want to make sure you have nice, complete notes because you can use these notes as you take the quizzes. After you complete the media lesson, you're ready to open the homework assignment. You also want to get a score of 100% on the homework so you can access the quiz for the unit. The nice thing about the homework assignments and More is that you can redo the problems as many times as you need to until you get 100%. Notice the quiz for that unit will not become available until you receive 100% on the homework. This is an example of what you should be writing down while you're doing your homework. You want to have out your notebook with separate blank sheets of paper to show your work for each question in the homework. Again, you're creating a resource for yourself to use as you study for the exams and as you take the quizzes. You can use these notes on the quizzes, and then by preparing yourself to do the questions on the homework, you're preparing yourself also for the exams. After you do the homework, you're ready to take the quiz. You have 2 attempts at each problem in the quiz. If you still get it wrong after 2 attempts, you're allowed to take another attempt at a new problem. This means that everybody can score 100% on the quizzes. You can see the due date, and it explains that you have 2 attempts for each problem. Work problem by problem until you receive 100%. After you complete the assignments and More, you want to go back to the modules in Canvas to see if there was anything else due that week. Maybe an exam is due that week, or a discussion board, or some other assignment for the week.